The Intro Tuning Kit was designed for all recreational skiers, ski and snowboard instructors, parents and club kids that want to be more independent and do the tuning themselves. The kit coincides with the first 3 steps of our advanced ski tuning system. The kit comes with a base bevel guide, diamond stone and 150mm file, and this is essential to do step 1 of our video series. It comes with a sidewall removal tool, which is essential for step 2. If you don't remove your sidewall, you can't do step 3. So in step 3, you're going to use this tool, which is a file guide of your choice. Also with a file, comes with a diamond guide and a diamond disc, which is a great tool for the daily maintenance of your skis, also for polishing and sharpening. Comes with a file brush for cleaning the files and a gummi stone for doing the deburring. So it's a great kit to really do the essentials of ski tuning.